Hey, what's up, guys? TechTine here, and today I got in house the brand new AirPods. You can call them the AirPods 2021, you can call them the AirPods third generation, or just simply call them AirPods. So, anyway, today what we're going to be doing is really just an unboxing and first impressions, and take a look at how they sound and the design and things like that. So, let's go ahead and get started. So here's the box itself. You do have on the front the newly designed AirPods, and it follows a new theme of Apple boxes, which you will have these pull tabs on the bottom as well as the top. And yeah, that's what you use to really open up this box. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and take care of it. Okay, so lifting the lid, you do have your paperwork, which I don't really care for. We're going to put it to the side. And you have the star of the show, which is the AirPods 2021. So let's go ahead and put them to the side real quick. And we also get your USB-C to Lightning connector. And that's basically it. Nothing too special. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and rip off the plastic on the AirPods, spend some time with it, and I will give you guys my actual impressions. Alright, so it's been a few hours since I had these AirPods, and I can really now give you my first full impressions. So let's start with this charging case. So right off the bat, I can tell you right now that this has been inspired by the AirPods Pro. And the reason I'm saying that, it really follows a similar design theme, except this time around it's smaller, and we will be comparing them shortly. So if it's a definitely smaller charging case than the AirPods Pro, and instead of it being taller, it's actually wider and slightly thicker. That way it will help provide a much bigger battery. And you do have the stamp on the back designed by Apple in California. This time around it's actually assembled in Vietnam, not China. So there's that for you. And the AirPod itself, the way that it's designed, it combines both the standard AirPods as well as the AirPods Pro. So what it takes from the AirPods Pro is its smaller, more modern form factor. It does have slightly larger grills, so they do provide a much better, slightly higher sound. And they do also bring in spatial audio as well as the double tap gestures. And that's basically it as far as the design of the AirPods themselves. So I'm bringing in my AirPods Pro to compare the designs themselves. So like I said, the AirPods Pro's charging case is slightly wider, but it's also slightly thinner. I actually like the form factor of the new AirPods charging case than the AirPods Pros. It's smaller, yet still helps you get a larger battery life. And also as far as the AirPods themselves, so like I said, they're very similar. The real differences that I see here is the addition of the ear tips and the noise cancellation on the AirPod Pros, and the standard AirPods or the AirPods 3, they really don't have it, which it's up to you to decide whether that's a big deal to you or not. And as far as price goes, the AirPods Pro you're looking at around $249, but you can definitely find them cheaper, around $219. And the AirPods 3, you're looking at around $190 after tax, depending on where you live. So as far as the fit themselves, so these have a nice fit in my ear. They're still made out of plastic, so they can get uncomfortable after some time of use. So yeah, overall the fit and feel is nice. Like I said, they are going to get uncomfortable after some time of use. That just depends on you. But overall, definitely a positive first impressions. I can't wait to do a real comparison between the standard AirPods and the AirPods Pros, and to see where these new AirPods fit, right? Are they worth it? Are they not? And yeah, with that being said, I want to thank you all so much for watching this one. If you enjoyed it, make sure you leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.